Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today I'm going to pressure can. I have an Elite Bistro pressure cooker with the canning feature. So I'm going to pressure can some of the chili that I cooked. While you're cooking your chili, you want to prepare your canner, whether it's a traditional food canner or an Instapot canner, by putting 3 inches of water in the bottom. You may even want to put it on top of a rack. Then you want to make sure that you prepare your jars, whether it's pints or quarts. Just make sure that they're steamed. And I use my pressure cooker for actually cleaning the jars out as well. Today I'm only going to can 1 can of chili, a quart size. I'm going to cook it for a pressure can. I have a feature on the Instapot for 90 minutes because I have meat and beans in it. And then I will take it out and let it cool. Fill the jars with chili, leaving 1-inch headspace. You can use a utensil to kind of have the air bubbles come up to the top. Make sure that you wipe down the tops of the jar before you put on your lid. That way you won't have anything obstructing a good seal. I've released the pressure. So I only had 1 can that I was going to show you how I'm pressure canning. I need to let it cool and take it out. So I am going to let it cool. You can see that the lid is a little loose. Do not tighten it. Just leave it loose while it continues to cool. And a lot of people will store these upside down. I do not store it upside down, but I will write a date on it just to make sure that I use it within a certain amount of time. I don't have a problem doing that since it is keto, but this is a great way to store it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button below to follow.